The British East India Company took over India in the 17th and 18th century. But that was through a clear strategy: ring-fencing, subsidiary alliance, and annexation. Welcome to Pravyav Now. I am Pranav, and here are 3 steps in which the British took over India. First was ring-fencing. They couldn't take on powerful empires, so they offered military assistance to smaller kingdoms. They surrounded these empires with smaller kingdoms which were dependent on the company. Then came Subsidary Alliance. When the kingdoms were highly dependent on the East India Company, they became a protectorate, losing independent foreign affairs and defense to the British. Then finally came Annexation. After making the rulers puppets, they removed these rulers from power for bad administration or rejecting succession through adoption, which was a common practice. But what if the East India Company couldn't have gone beyond ring fencing? Well, that is the story of the world of my novel. Read Expedition to an Alternate Swarajya. Available on Amazon, Flipkart, and Notion Press.